my name's Dan, welcome back. In this episode of Trust Me, I'm the Blacksmith, we are going to be doing the toilet paper railroad spike apocalyptic challenge for Bob Bude over B&B Forge. I forgot to record the intro, so I'm doing it whilst I'm walking the dogs. Hopefully you enjoy the video, and I'll tell you more about the challenge at the end. See you later. Two simple ingredients for this project. The first one is a sheet of EN42J, which is, I believe, somewhere around the 1045, 1070, somewhere around there. I might be wrong. And also a railroad spike that I got given to me by John Coffey off the John Coffey Ranch. If you don't know who those guys are, stay tuned to the end, and I'll explain a bit more about those guys, and also this crazy challenge. I have never made a tomahawk before, and I've never made anything out of a railroad spike. Well, that's not true, but we'll talk more about that later. However, this is a spike that came from John's, and this is the high carbon, which I'm going to try and weld in to make this a usable, sharpenable tool. So I'm going to get on with that in a minute. The first thing we need to do is start upsetting this end so we can make it into an axe. Okay, thank you for joining me. Hopefully you've enjoyed watching me make this Tomahawk. What's that? What's it got to do with loo roll? Well, it was a railroad. Oh no. Toilet paper. Railroad spike challenge. Okay, I've got an idea.
Hey, you! Yes, you, idiot! Worried about getting caught short? Worrying about those queues for toilet roll even more? Then those fabulous guys at TMIB have just the thing for you! Combining the state-of-art technology from railroad spikes to toilet roll dispensing, whether you're defending loo roll, taking loo roll, or taking one in nature, the Toilethawk's got everything you need. Not only do those boys at TMIB know how to make a toilet roll dispenser, they make some fabulous merchandise as well. So, next time you're out in the wilderness, or just shopping, make sure you've got your Toilethawk to hand. Don't get caught with your pants down again.
I give you the Toilethawk. It's like a Tomahawk, only crappier. Bob, I hope you like it. Too much time went into this. Too much time goes into everything. Too much time went into this and a lot of effort went into it. Hopefully you enjoy it. If you don't know what this is all about, I'm about to explain it. And hopefully I did a silly skit where I used a silly thing. Yeah, so actually... Anyway, Bob Bude has a channel. The link to the channel is down in the description. Please go and check it out and go and subscribe to him. He's nearly at 1,000 subs. And he said he wanted people to do... I'm going to get this wrong. the toilet paper railroad spike apocalypse challenge. And this is my entry. This is the Toilethawk. As you can see, it's got a toilet roll holder, dispenser jobber, which has a swivel and shackle and all that niceness, which you can change. You just need a toolkit to do it. And a railroad spike Tomahawk. It's not very original, however, it's quite funny. And it kind of works as a loo roll dispenser, I suppose, for the camping community. It'd be pretty good. Thought process, why I did what I did. I wanted to make a Tomahawk, and I wanted to use one of the railroad spikes that I got from John Coffey's. John Coffey is the squad father, and he is a gentleman I met in America when I went out there to teach some hammer classes last summer. And he gave me a couple of railroad spikes to bring home with me, so I thought, do the classic railroad spike Tomahawk. Also, I know it's not a Tomahawk, it's got an axe eye. And Tomahawks normally have sort of like more like a pickaxe eye, I think. But yeah, and I was kind of like, what am I going to do for this silly challenge? I've only got 2 railroad spikes. I want to make a Tomahawk, so I made a Tomahawk. It's not very good. The weld isn't very good on this one. It's sharp and it works, but I thought, oh, sorry, I'll make a loo roll holder. So this is my entry. You can defend yourself whilst at the shops trying to fight for what loo roll you can get hold of, and then you can safely smuggle your way into the wilderness and relieve yourself in the comfort of knowing that there's a dispenser of toilet paper not too far away. Hence why I did what I did. Okay, does it work? No. Is it practical? No. However, was it a bit of fun and a bit of a giggle? Yes, and at times like this, we need a bit of fun and a bit of a giggle. I've made this video in response to Bob Bude's, I think that's how you say his surname, Bob Bude's challenge, the toilet paper railroad spike apocalypse challenge. This is my apocalypse weapon of choice / toilet roll dispenser, and I've really enjoyed making it. Is it the best Tomahawk ever? No, and I know it's not a Tomahawk. Is it the best loo roll dispenser ever? No, but together they make a beautiful creation. I've really enjoyed making it, and thank you for joining me. If you did also enjoy watching me make this, please go and check out Bob's channel. Please go and also check out that the playlist that he's put together, which are other people who've had a go at making things out of railroad spikes in order to dispense or protect or gain toilet roll. If you're a hobbyist at home and you want to get involved, you can do so. It's a challenge open to anybody. I believe also if you do it and then you do the hashtag, Bob will add it to his playlist. I'd really like to get a bit of traction on this if I can. He's done a hashtag, which is the hashtag toilet paper railroad spike apocalypse challenge. It's so long. He's done that hashtag, so if you're on Instagram, you could just make something and post a picture on Instagram, or do a story and then post it on Instagram, or a little video for Instagram. So he's done that as well. So he's tried to be very inclusive, which is really cool. And like I said, he's on 1,000 or nearly on 1,000 subs. So if this video gets him to 1,000 subs, that'd be amazing as well. So go check Bob's channel out, go and subscribe, and then that is everything for this video. Thank you so much for joining me. If you did like this video, remember to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and if you are a subscriber, please ring that bell for notifications, because it will tell you every time I make videos. I make videos as often as possible. I've got a bit of free time now with this whole virus thing kicking off. I'm hoping, at least anyway. So I should be able to make a bit more content. This turned out better than I thought it was going to. I've really enjoyed doing this. I'm going to try and get more and more videos out. I might do a couple of lives, depends on circumstances. Definitely go and check out Bob. His channel will be in the link in the description, so will his Instagram. Go and show him some love, because he deserves some. He's a very funny guy. And also go and check out my Instagram and the Etsy and all that stuff. I sell tools, tongs, equipment, merchandise. I've got t-shirts. I should really show off my t-shirts. I've got these t-shirts, the embroidered ones, and also you can get your hands on the TMIB Trust Me I'm a Blacksmith ones. Why have I done that? Anyway, I'm going to finish the video like this. I know this is a very serious thing, but this is a bit of light entertainment to get us through, and I'm going to try and do something with this. So if we do a live, I might try and raffle it off or give it away or try and auction it off or something to try and raise a bit of money to try and help some people that need some help during this horrible time. And that is everything. Thank you for joining me. I will leave a link up here to a video that YouTube thinks that you will like. This is the most recent video that I've posted. This down here is something that I think you might enjoy, and that there is the subscribe button. See you later. Goodbye.